Hi, Jessica from the eRank team here, and today I'm going to be talking about how important it is to connect your Etsy shop to eRank to get the most benefit of our suite of tools. So first I'm going to show you what a dashboard looks like that does not have a shop connected to it. So there is still a wealth of great information here, such as links to our blog posts, trending keywords, what shops on Etsy had the most sales yesterday, as well as Etsy's marketplace popularity. Now, this is a great place to start. You can still do keyword research and you can still look at trends, but I'm going to show you what a dashboard looks like once you've connected an Etsy shop. If you want to connect up your Etsy shop, simply click the orange Connect Etsy Shop button and it will walk you through the process. It's very easy and we make sure that your data is secure. eRank has a read-only mode of your shop, so we can't go in and change your listings and we can't access any data that you don't give us permission to have. So I'm going to show you now what it looks like once you've connected a shop. So this is what a dashboard looks like after you've connected a shop. As you can see, there are shop stats, health checks, you can do sales comparisons with your competitors that you're tracking, as well as see your spotted on Etsy's, which are the listings that eRank has found you for in the past 24 hours. You can also track your superstar keywords, and you can also add any listings that you want to track to the listing change tracker tool. As you can see, just with this one page, there's already almost double the information that you have when you don't have a shop linked up. So this is a really important step to make the most of eRank's capabilities to help you improve your shop. If you have any questions, feel free to click the blue button in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen where you can be connected to a member of our help staff and they can help you guide you along your way. I hope that this tutorial was helpful and I look forward to helping you more in the future.